So I'm just spinning out my frames. Electric spinner just makes things so much easier. I've spun out one lot already. We've got a nice big, nice full bucket there off my first load of frames. I'm doing something a bit different and all. I need to wait for some labels, but I'm doing some big chunks of comb in honey. A little bit of a one-off. See how they go. I'm just got to design a label, get a label done and get some labels. And then I'm going to start doing some of them. So yeah, we've got a nice bucket there. Yeah, we've got the electric spinner on the job. It's just beautiful. Absolutely beauty. See, so didn't take much. You got a fair bit back. You can't complain, can you? Bees have got plenty. Let's crank this baby up. I found running this on manual is a sensible thing to do, because on auto you turn it on and it goes up like 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 on manual when you're doing it yourself. When you put it on auto, oh mate, it cranks straight up to 100, and then it's like and you had to jump on it and things start going wrong. Well, manual, you just put it on, spin a load out. Probably have to open the gate in a minute, let the flow of honey go. But yeah, put it on manual, run it on like 35 for a bit, 40 for a bit, let all the frames sort of equalise and even themselves out in weight distribution, and then start cranking the bad boy up. You see it flicking it out. Let's open the gate. Open the gate! Here come the trolls! There we go, look. Because you're meant to leave that open when you're spinning, so you don't back it up over the thing and get the bear in. Or if it comes up and touches the frames, you start making whipped honey. As nice and delicious and fluffy as it is, people don't want whipped honey. Crank it up again, what we on? 45% capped in. But we need no more power. Yeah, we'll let that run. I'll let it run for a bit and then I'll come back. You could watch the honey, the rain. I'll pause it because it's probably a bit boring for you. I'll come back in a minute when I crank it right up and we give it full power, Captain. Right, we're going to start up in the power now. Captain's just called. Can you give it more power, Captain? She's on the verge of everything she's got. Here we go then. Going to hyperdrive there. Oh, it's getting shaky. She'll shake herself to pieces, Captain. So we're at 65%. And she's starting to get a bit herky jerky. Any more she'll start taking off. I'll show you then. I'll give you a demonstration. Oh, you can hear her. She's a rocking. Let's go one more. She'll start really a rocking. You gotta be careful because she'll rock away from the bucket. So you see what I mean? So you don't go no more than that. Let's back her off. Come on, back off baby, back off. So I'll just leave it at that. There, run at that. For 5-10 minutes. And crank, mate. Oh, she's off again. Where you going? Look, off it goes. Shaken, not stirred. Before you know it, come back and it's over there. Backed up a corner like trying to jump out window. Oh yeah, there's a good bit coming out. Just let her run, let her run. We'll be back soon. Right, I'm going to really crank it up. I'm going to put all my weight on it. Get the last bit out of these. Look at it go. What are we on? 75, we're only on 75. Oh, I stopped it. Oh, my bad, I stopped it. Wrong button there, sir. You're supposed to press the other button, if you know what I mean. Let's crank it up again, ready. Let's go straight up there, top speed. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh no, I've turned it to auto. Doing it on auto. Let's go. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Let's stay at 60 to start. 60. Let's let it get up to 60. Let's go. 65. 70. Just let it run at 70. I'm not seeing no honey coming out, so I think I'll probably stop because the frames will explode. We're on 75, 80. Get weight on it. 85, 90, 95. Oh, stop them. Yeah, we'll call that a day on that. Can't crank it too much. So it's just got to run through now. Job done. Electric spinner. I'll show you in a minute how much come out. It's a bit unbalanced as well because I've got 4 brood frames, 4 super frames, and then 1 shallow super frame. 4 super frames and 1 shallow super frame, so it's not even, you know what I mean. Yeah, look, any more and I'll wreck the frame, so no more. I'll show you what we got here in a little while.